I am Dr. Dongri Thandamluk or Ajanvi. I will teach how to read paper with Bard. Bard is a conversational generative AI chatbot developed by Google based on Lambda. So we are going to use Bard to help us read papers. So in order to access Bard, we need to go to the web server of Google called bard.google.com. So bard.google.com. And then in here, we can talk to Bard in the same way as talking to human or with ChatGPT, right? So let's say summarize the paper by Thandamluk 2022 or 2022, and then list the name of the papers. And then it will tell you the details about this paper.
The paper, Menorah, a machine learning platform to guide protein ligand design by anchors and influential distances, by Thandamluk, 2022, describes a new machine learning platform for protein ligand design. The platform, called Menorah, uses a combination of in-depth analysis of active sites and big picture data from major biological databases to provide information on drug design. One of the key features of MANORAA is its use of anchors and influential distances. Anchors are residues that are frequently found in active sites, and influential distances are the distances between these residues. Menorah uses these anchors and influential distances to predict whether changes in distances, such as contraction or expansion, will result in improved binding affinity.
Assuming if I want to write a book, and it will need to have list of abbreviations, so I will say, act as a book writer assistant. Write a list of abbreviations with correct interpretation for all scientific terms used in these papers. And then enter. So it will give you the list of jargons used in these papers. And then you can export it to Google Sheets using this button. So it will give the Google Sheets or Excel tabulating styles for you to export and put it into list of terms or glossary terms. And then it can pretty well hint you how to use or how to improve the process. So it will say, here are some steps on how to use Menorah to solve drug design problems. And it will tell you the details and outline the steps. And then you can go to the details such as how often the platform have been used in drug design community. So Bard is the Google. It will tell you the details about this platform that has been published. And you can use this with any platform that you want to study, such as how to improve Menorah server. Each time you ask, the answer will be different. It's pre-calculated at the web server at that moment, unlike ChatGPT, which is based on 2021 database. This one is used the World Wide Web. So it say, there are a few ways to improve.
There are a few ways to improve the MANORAA server. Here are some ideas. Improve the user interface. The current user interface is not as user-friendly as some other drug design platforms. It could be improved by making it more intuitive and easier to use.
You can play with Bard by yourself, but this shows pretty much how to use Bard for your future research work. And I hope you enjoy Bard